Hello, welcome to We Constructor official YouTube channel. Today we'll be teaching on how to properly measure for girth in order to avoid common mistakes like over measuring or under measuring. So if you know anyone that this video will be really helpful to, please do well to share to the person. So now let's start with the definition of girth. Girth is seen as the total length of a building, both what internally and what externally. That is this wall, 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 every single wall here. The addition of what? The length. That is this, this, the length. The addition of what? All of that. So now why is girth really important to discuss? This is because we need girth to measure for so many items of work like our trench excavation, disposal, excavation, block work, though several adjustments will be made to the calculation before you apply them in these places. So now let's move to the drawing to start the real deal. So we have a 3D drawing here and a 2D drawing here, which is the floor plan. Now the ways in which we can measure for girth, we can split it into external and internal. Split it into what? External and internal. Now if the size of the wall varies, let's say there's a 150 thick wall externally, we'll split it into 150 thick external and 225 external. Same thing to the internal if there was 150. But for the course of this video, all our walls are what? 225 millimeter. So let's start. Now, to find our external girth, for this shape, external girth is basically the perimeter. So if it was a circle, you use the what? Circumference of a circle. So for this square shape, 4L, which is the same thing as 2 open bracket length plus breadth. So that will be the formula for the external girth. 2 open brackets what? Length plus breadth, and we'll deduct corners. So it will be 2 open brackets length plus breadth minus 4 times the thickness of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4. In order to avoid what? Over measuring. This is a place people make mistake. So what is our length? Our length is what? 7,000 millimeter. And our breadth is 7,000 what? Millimeter. So it will be 7,000 plus 7,000, which will give us what? 14,000 millimeter. Multiply by 2, which will give us what? 14,000. 2 multiplied by 14,000 millimeter will give us what? 28 millimeter. Now we'll deduct 4 times the thickness, which is what? 4 times 225, which will give us what? 900. So 28,000 minus 900 will give us what? 27,1. Now if you look at this plan, we need to add resets. Now we took this like this, this. Let me make use of this. So now, but there is no wall here, so how do we do it? I brought this wall. Let me change this to freehand. So I brought this wall here, here. I brought this wall here, here. And note, when you are measuring for girth, you will not take into consideration the openings, that is the doors, the windows. Now we brought it here. So this place is also an external wall. But if we bring this here, we have what's covered here. Now we are moving this like this to this side, here to this side. So now we have covered here to here, Abby, which is what? External. So from here to here is what? Let's check. We can see that from here to this end is what? 1,000. So to get from here to here, what are we going to do? 1,000 deducted by what? 225, which will give us what? 775. So this is our what? Recess at the front. Now let's move to the back. If we move this here, this is where we are living externally, Abby. This will come here. So from here to what? Here. How are we going to get the size? From here to here is what? 1725. So deduct this thickness here, here to here, to get here to here. So 1725 minus 225, that will give us what? 1,000 what? 500. So now 27,100 plus 775 plus 1,500 will give us a total of what? 29,375. So now we are done with what? All external walls. Now we'll be moving to what? Internal walls to find our what? Internal girth. And to find our internal girth, we'll separate it into what? Latitudinal walls and longitudinal walls. Why I do this is so that when you have a more complicated drawing, you'll be able to easily identify the ones you are measuring. Now by latitude, I mean walls going like this, and by longitude, I mean walls going like this. So now For our latitudinal walls, let's start with this. So let's pick it as from here to here. So if you check, we have 1050 for the toilet, write it out. Then the next one, room 1, from here, I'm closing it because we've taken this wall already. So you can't take to this end, you have to start from here. Same thing here too, since I closed here, that means when we are taking here, we'll take from here to here. And this is from here to here. So this will be what? Here to here. We have from here to here is 2550 plus this 225 here, which will give us 2775. Now we've marked this, we've marked this. The next wall, if I'm not mistaken, is this, which is last latitudinal wall. So it will be from here to here. Since I don't want it to get, I want it to be from this place. So that will give us what? 2775. So if you have 2775 from here, 2775 from here, and 1050 from here, we'll have a total of what? 6600. So our total latitudinal walls is 6600. Now let's move to the longitudinal walls. Those are the walls coming like this. We have here, here, here to here. So now from here to this end is 1500. But remember, this wall here, we've moved it here. That means we have to deduct this thickness here. That is from here to here. We have to deduct this part out, which is what? 225. So 1500 minus 225 will give us what? 1275. And here we don't have to deduct because it's from here to here we moved. So here to here is still intact, which is what? 1500. Then this place, which is from here to this place, remember we've picked here before. So from here to here will be what? This 2550, which is from here to here, deducted by from here to here. And if you remember, we add here to this place to be what? 775. That is that our recess, front recess. So that will give us a total of 1775. So here to here is 1775. Now if you add this with the 15 from here and the 1275, it will give us a total of 4515. Now if we add it with our latitudinal, it will give us a total of 1000 of sorry, it will give us a total of 11,150. So now we have to add our internal to our external since they are of the same sizes. So 11,150 plus 29,375, it will give us a total of 40,525. So our total girth for this whole plan is 40,525. Please remember that before you apply this, adjustment will have to be made. Like for your filling, for your trench excavation, you have to deduct your corners. But for block work, you don't have to deduct corners since they will be what? Meeting. So thank you so much for watching, and please do well to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button to get notified when we drop new insightful video. Shalom.